Start. As per para 5.1 of Annexure 1, conditions for grant of benefits under the ACP scheme, it is stipulated that two financial upgradations would be available only if no regular promotion during the prescribed period 12 and 24 years was granted to an employee. If an employee has already received one regular promotion, he/she would qualify for second ACP only on completion of 24 years of regular service. However, in case if two regular promotions have been received by an employee, no further benefit under the ACP scheme would accrue in favor of the employee as per para 3.1 of the office memorandum dated 9/8/1999. The grant of financial upgradations under the ACP scheme shall be subjected to the conditions mentioned in the Annexure 1 annexed thereon to the office memorandum dated 9/8/1999. Para 9.8 of the annexure provides that the financial upgradations shall be purely personal to the employee and would have no relevance to his/her seniority position. In other words, there would be no additional financial upgradations for the senior employee on the ground that the junior employee has got the higher pay scale under the ACP scheme. Para number 12 of Annexure 1 provides that the ACP scheme contemplates merely placement on personal basis in the higher pay scale / grant of financial benefits only and shall not amount to actual functional promotion of the employees concerned. We may usefully refer to the relevant features of the ACP scheme as stipulated in Annexure 1 to the office memorandum dated 9/8/1999. Conditions for grant of benefits under the ACP scheme, which reads as under para. Conditions for grant of benefits under the ACP schemes para. The ACP scheme envisages merely placement in the higher pay scale / grant of financial benefits through financial upgradation only to the government servant concerned on personal basis and shall therefore neither amount to functional / regular promotion nor would require creation of new posts for the purpose. The first financial upgradation under the ACP scheme shall be allowed after 12 years of regular service and the second upgradation after 12 years of regular service from the date of the first financial upgradation, subject to fulfillment of prescribed conditions. In other words, if the first upgradation gets postponed on account of the employee not found fit or due to departmental proceedings etc. This would have consequential effect on the second upgradation which would also get deferred accordingly. Full stop.